I know you have been watching these interviews online.
Yes.
So I will start another way. If you can tell us the values, two critical values that you believe hold the institution of the judiciary together, a value that holds the nation together, and the value that holds you together as a person.
I'll start with the value that holds the judiciary. The judiciary is the organization which has the sovereign mandate of judicial determination of the nation. Therefore, the value of integrity and the value of accountability and independence are key to the judiciary.
I'm happy with that.
As regards the nation, the values of people-centeredness, that the nation exists for the benefit of its people, and it is there to provide for the people's needs by way of human rights, economic and political aspirations.
Is there an acronym for that value?
Democracy.
It's the value of democracy.
Yes.
Very well.
And as regards the values that I hold as a person, as a judge, is that I have the values of integrity, accountability, and responsibility. I believe that as a judge, one would have to be honest in his discharge of the judicial mandate. Therefore, integrity is key to my performance in the judicial office. Then tied to that is that I'm supposed to be accountable for the decisions that I make, and I must feel the weight of the nation, which requires and calls for justice for its people. And I, as a person mandated to deliver that justice, must give responsible return by way of accountability.
Thank you very much. Now you can tell us why you think you qualify for this job of the Court of Appeal. What the skills you're bringing, experience, knowledge, and what value you're going to add to the Court of Appeal.
Yes. Chief Justice, I know that the Court of Appeal is, in many respects, just like the Supreme Court, the final court, because only two areas of appeal are permitted under the Constitution, where the appeal raises issues of interpretation and application of the Constitution, and also where a matter is certified by the court or the Supreme Court to be a matter of general public importance.
I'm sorry, Judge, but I don't want to go there. I think you're talking about the Supreme Court and we're talking about the Court of Appeal.
Yes.
I just want you to tell us why you feel you're suitable for that position.
Yes, I wanted to say that the judge of the Supreme Court.
No, we're talking about the Court of Appeal.
The judge of the Court of Appeal holds a position of a final court, where the court is supposed to give judgments which guide the discharge of the affairs of the nation, and they has to be followed by all the courts that are below it. Therefore, it's a position of responsibility. It is a position which calls for long experience in the delivery of justice or practice in the justice matters. It is also a position which calls for wide experience and competence in matters of law. And I have been in practice of law for coming to 35 years now, since qualification in 1990. And along the way, I have accumulated skills in legal research, in editing of legal publications, and also in techniques for judicial determination. And I think that I could bring my long experience and wide expertise to bear on the delivery of justice at the Court of Appeal and giving guidance, therefore, to the courts below the Court of Appeal.
Thank you. The next